I have already covered a detailed playlist on the AI influencer, and many of you guys were asking how to change the facial expressions of your influencer. So you guys can try out this tool to change the facial expressions of your influencer, and this tool is totally free to use right now. So what is this tool is, let's find out. Okay, so this tool is called heyphoto. I will also leave the link in the descriptions below. So if I scroll down, you can see these are the some features that this are tool free. You look at the bird. Give me a smile. You can change the gender of your character. You can even change the age in your images. Okay, these are some simple things, but let's try out. And the process is simple. You just have to click on the browse button and select the image from your computer. So let's say I am going to select like this image. After some kind of processing and detecting the face, we will have this option. First option is look at bird. Here we have this bird here. And what it does, if I drag this bird, you can see her eyes movement is changing. Okay, so if I move it a little bit further, you can see on the left side. So if I move this bird on the right side, you can see her height movement is changing towards the right side. And if I move this one on the upward side here, it looks really horrible. And if I move this down a little bit here, you can see now she is looking downwards. But the overuse of this one can also make your image worse. So I would recommend you to go with the very slight movement. So here you can see it looks really good here. And you can see a detail on this face. You can see the wrinkles around the eyes is looks really natural. So this option is also a really cool option. You can also try this one. But I would like to reset my image because we have to try some other features. So the next one is Anonymize. So these are some kind of filters that you can apply and it changes your facial expressions just to make your face unrecognizable from the AI detection tools. So we are going to move on the next tool that is simple, and this is really cool tool. And this is one of my favorites, and here you can see we have a slider. Here, so if I move this slider towards the left side, it is going to make it look like sad. And if I move the slider to the right side, it will make her face smile. So I am going to move it a little bit here. And this is now start doing the processing. So here you can see I really have smile on her face. You can see even the lips are little bit opened. Here, so if I move this a little bit more. Here and now her face is looking some more smiley, and if we look at the details. Here you can see the wrinkle around the eyes, it looks really natural. And if I move the slide to the left side, you can see the character looks similar. But there is some kind of sad her face. Okay, so I think the sad face looks way more natural than the smiling face. Because in the smiling face, it is generating the teeth. AI is trying to generate the teeth and wrinkles and all that stuff. We also have the next option that is emotion. So I am going to click on that. Here you can see we have some emotions here like scared, surprised, happy, disgusted and the angry. Next is gender. You also can change model gender. And net option is age. With this tool you also can change age of your model. So actually these are some kind of filters that you can play around with these. Alright, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next time one. Thank you.